Hi guys, in this today's class we are going to discuss about what is mean by JDK, JRE and JVM and difference between them. Firstly we can see that what is mean by JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Internally it contains JRE and JVM, where JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment and JVM stands for Java Virtual Machines, which means JDK is just like a superset. Internally it contains JRE and JVM. This JDK provides all the tools to work with Java. Mainly developers use JDK when they are creating any Java application, as it includes all the tools for developing and testing. The need of JDK is it provides all the tools which is required by the developer or any students who are going to write any Java program and want to run the Java program. There must be a installed JDK in their system. And if you see what is mean by this JRE, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It provides environment to run Java applications. It's internally contains JVM, which is responsible to run bytecode. If you see what is mean by JRE, it's just like a environment. It provides the environment to run the Java program. Unless until this JDK and JRE, we can say that JRE doesn't contain any compiler or any tool to write the Java code. It only provides the environment to run the Java application or program. Therefore, if you see the key points between this JDK and JRE, this JRE does not contain tools like any compiler. It only provides the runtime environment. We previously discussed it, right? This JRE only provides the environment to run the Java application. Like if you are only running the Java application and don't developing them, then you only need of the JRE. Like if you want to run only a program, then if you have this JRE, then it should be enough for you to run the Java application. If you see about this JVM, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is a type of engine or software that runs Java bytecode on different platforms. Like before going to learn about this JVM, you need to understand what is mean by JVM. For this purpose, you need to make sure to see that our previous video. Like there I have explained the working of this JVM, like why Java is a platform independent. In that video you can get full clarity of execution of the Java code and how this JVM works. After completing of that video only you can see this part. From this part, this JVM is written in completely C. This JVM is mainly used for execution of this bytecode. Like I can also explain in this video. Let's wait for some time. If you want to see the in diagrammatic way, like this JDK is a superset which includes this JRE and JVM internally, and JRE is also a subset of JDK. It internally contains JVM and some libraries and dependencies, and this JVM is just like a interpreter, like it executes the bytecode. In conclusion, we can say that if any developer or students need to install JDK, if they want to write or execute the Java program, then they need to be install this JDK. And if they only want to run the Java code, then make sure that JRE must be installed. Like we can say this is the extra information I want to give for understanding of this JVM. Basically, while compiling our Java code, like this .java file is converted into .class file after compilation. This process is called source code compilation. Like if you compile the Java code, this .class file is changes to .java file is changes to .class file, which is a bytecode. This bytecode is a mission independent. Like this should be run on any of the device, irrespective of the, like if you have written your Java code in Windows, the respective bytecode should run in any of the devices like Linux, Windows or Mac or anything. Like this bytecode is run with the help of JVM. This is the working of JVM. Like in Windows they have their respective JVMs. In Linux they have their respective JVMs. In that purpose we are using this JVM for compiling the bytecode. With this JVM only, mission able to understand what user want to convey to the mission. That's the usage of JVM. That's it. I know I can say that by seeing this video you can get some clarity about what is mean by JDK, JRE and JVM. Please make sure to like and subscribe this channel. If I get more support from you guys, I will thoroughly post the videos. Thank you.